The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, covering an area of approximately 165.2 million square kilometers. It is located between Asia, Australia, North and South America. The Pacific Ocean is divided into three main parts: the North Pacific, the South Pacific, and the Central Pacific. The North Pacific is bordered by Asia to the west, North America to the east, and the Arctic Ocean to the north. The South Pacific is bordered by Australia and New Zealand to the west, and South America to the east. The Central Pacific is bordered by the Hawaiian Islands, and Polynesia to the north, and Melanesia and Micronesia to the south. The Pacific Ocean is connected to the Arctic Ocean through the Bering Strait, and to the Southern Ocean through the Drake Passage. Some of the major features of the Pacific Ocean include the North Equatorial Current, which is a major ocean current that flows westward near the equator, and the East Australia Current, which is a warm ocean current that flows southward along the coast of Australia. The Pacific Ocean is also home to the world's deepest point, the Mariana Trench, which is located in the western North Pacific. The Pacific Ocean also includes many island chains and archipelagos, such as the Hawaiian Islands, the Philippines, and the Aleutian Islands.